How to play Minecraft on PC. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Minecraft. So let's just say I want to go ahead and open it up. If I don't have it yet, what I want to do is go over to the Microsoft Store and then go over to search on the very top, type in Minecraft, then you're going to see Minecraft Launcher. Go ahead and download this, as if you have the Java edition or the Bedrock edition, you're going to need that no matter what. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Minecraft launcher. It's going to automatically sign us into our Xbox account. If it needs an update, maybe you haven't opened it in a while, it's going to open up. Now, once it loads up and everything, let's say maybe you want to play with friends. Of course, you want to use the Java edition for this. It's just a lot more compatible. But all you want to do is click this play button right here. Now it's going to say waiting on install. So just wait for this to happen because maybe it needs an update or anything like that. But then we just wait for it to open up. And then all I want to do is press multiplayer. Then I can go ahead and press proceed. Now I can scan for any networks or anything like that. But then I can also see this friends icon right here. So all I want to go ahead and do is I can check my requests if I want to. And then I can also enter in a profile name too. And yeah, it's as simple as that.